There's no doubting that the latest new age Manta Ray Pop Top is one of the best looking pop tops on the market. But is it easy to use, as well as good value for money? Let's go and find out. The new Manta Ray Pop Top is the first Walkinshaw designed pop top from the Melbourne Caravan manufacturer and borrows styling cues from the full height version, including the signature rear mould with spare tyre recess, along with a new aluminium pop top roof design. Unlike some of its rivals, the Manta Ray's roof is lifted manually rather than by electric motors, but it's one of the better pop tops we've tried and should be a relatively easy job for most people. So after unlatching the roof and awning, you just push it up from both ends from inside. This 16-foot ensuite model is reasonably well equipped for its $58,000 starting price, with items like solar panels, washing machine and stability control included as standard, although you do have to pay extra for wanted items like off-road suspension and smooth sidewall cladding. Because it's aimed primarily at on-road tourers, the basic package includes limited front stone protection and just a basic 50mm bore coupling and leaf spring suspension. But you do get a 110 litre freshwater and the grey water tank, so you can spend some time free camping. Other standard exterior features include two 9kg gas bottles, a tunnel boot, roll-out awning, external speakers and a drop-down picnic table. Inside there's sleeping for two, a compact but well-equipped kitchen, a two-person lounge dinette and a spacious rear bathroom with separate shower and toilet. The Manta Ray Pop Top also comes with a few quality appliances, including a gas cooktop and grill, microwave and 164 litre fridge, a TV and radio, gas hot water unit and a 100 amp hour AGM battery with touchscreen display. There's also an air conditioner tucked under the bed and a wall-mounted washing machine for when you're plugged in at the caravan park. The interior quality is typical of new age, and all the cupboards and fixtures seem nicely glued and screwed together. Like all pop tops, you do miss out on some high-mounted storage space, but the upside is the extra ventilation from the unzipped windows when camping in hot climates. So one of the reasons to buy a pop top is they generally tow better than the full height Caravan, and the 16-foot Manta Ray is no different. With its aero design and weighing less than 2 tonnes unloaded, it's less likely to sway or be buffeted by winds at highway speeds. So while it may not be the cheapest pop top on the market, the Manta Ray ticks plenty of boxes for buyers, with the icing on the cake and eye-catching design fit for 21st century caravanning.